Cool.
Cold. Neither warm nor very cold.
Gain.
To get more of something. Obtain. Get.
Importance.
The quality of being important. Significance.
Knowledge.
Factual information. Comprehension.
Major.
Bigger. Greater. Chief. Main.
Mean.
Unkind. Unpleasant. Nasty. Cruel.
Prefer.
Favor. Like better. Would rather.
President.
The leader of the country. Head of state. Ruler.
Progress.
Step forward. Improvement. Development.
Respect.
Good opinion. Admiration. High regard.
Rich.
Wealthy. Affluent. Moneyed. Prosperous.
Skill.
The knowledge and ability. Capability.
Somehow.
In some way. By some means. One way or another.
Strength.
Power. Force. Energy. Vigor. Stamina.
Vote.
Choose. Elect. Ballot. Go to the polls.
Above.
Over. Higher than. Upon. On top of.
Ahead.
In front. Forward. Onward. In the lead.
Amount.
How much of something. Number. Sum. Quantity.
Belief.
Strong feeling. Faith.
Center.
Middle. Midpoint. Heart. Core.
Common.
Usual. Regular. Ordinary.
Cost.
Pay. Charge. Be priced at.
Demonstrate.
To show how something is. Display. Illustrate.
Different.
Dissimilar. Unlike. Contrasting.
Evidence.
Proof. Verification. Documentation.
Honesty.
Truthfulness. Sincerity. Frankness.
Idiom.
Expression. Phrase.
Independent.
Free. Self-governing. Autonomous.
Inside.
The inner part. Interior.
Master.
Professional. Expert. Genius.
Memory.
Remembrance. Recall. Power of recall.
Proper.
Right. Correct. Accurate.
Scan.
Look at something very carefully. Examine. Inspect.
Section.
Part. Division. Sector.
Surface.
Outside. Outward appearance. Covering.
Anxious.
Worried. Uneasy. Nervous. Apprehensive.
Awful.
Very bad. Horrific. Terrible.
Consist.
Contain. Include. Comprise.
Desire.
Want. Wish for. Covet. Long for.
Eager.
Having a strong wish. Desiring. Enthusiastic.
Household.
Family. Clan. Tribe.
Intent.
Plan. Aim. Goal. Purpose.
Landscape.
How an area of land looks. Scene. Perspective.
Lift.
Raise. Pick up. Elevate.
Load.
To put objects into something. Fill up.
Lung.
The organ fills with air when breathing.
Motion.
Movement. Action. Mobility.
Pace.
Speed. Quickness. Rapidity.
Polite.
Well-behaved. well-mannered, courteous,
possess,
own, have, hold, be in possession of.